how to find and replace in Google Sheet. So here you can see I have a list of number. To find any number, use the Control F, and here you can see right hand side one box is open. Enter the number. So I just enter here 996, and you can see in this data 996 is 4 times is available. To replace this number, just click on the three dot, the right hand side more option, and here the one dialog box is open, find and replace. The find 996 replace with 661. Okay, and click on the replace all to replace all 996 and click on the done, and that's it. Now I use the Control F and again I search the same number 996, and here you can see the 996 is not available in this data because I replaced with 661. Again I enter the 661, and here you see the 661 is found. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe.